Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Muhammad Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York market session Elliot Wave forecast, and I'm going to use Elliot Wave analysis and you will get Forex forecast. Okay, let's get started. This is the euro dollar currency pair daily time frame. Right now you see we got this nice bullish trend over here inside euro dollar currency pair. Price action is also you see it's going up, looks bullish over here. Now the way I see market is probably going to rise up more in coming trading days. Okay, in euro USD currency pair, this is what I see. Market is most likely going to rise up more. Okay, now how far we expect the price action to go? Well, to answer this question, the value is 1.1927. Let me zoom out a little bit. So 1.1927, that's the level market is most likely going to reach and test this level before we actually get a long-term top or something like that in euro dollar. Now let's go over to a 4-hour time frame. Inside 4-hour time frame, price is just staying above this upper trend channel line. Okay, so the way I see market is probably going to resume the uptrend over here. Okay, so we will see how it goes. Okay, next let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. Now in 1-hour chart we got this A, B and C zigzag pattern. Now what I mean by that is, let me show you the labeling on a different time frame. Here's a clear one. So this is wave A over here, wave A, we got wave B, okay, and then a wave C to the downside. So this is just a zigzag, just a corrective pattern. That's the way how I see. However, let's say market wants to drop more. Let's say the forecast isn't going to work, and market wants to go up. Well, if that is the case, then we should get a new low in price action below wave C low. Okay, and let me move this one down over here. So if market really wants to drop, then we should get some kind of a bearish candlestick close below 1.1716 level, and price should stay there. Sometimes price just close one candlestick and then goes the other way, so that's not what I'm interested. Now regarding the upside, we have this another level of it. So this is A, B, C, D and E. So this is the level. Wave B high is right over here at 1.1809. Let's check out the 15 minutes time frame. It looks much clearer. So we got this as A, B, C, D and okay. So the level that we are looking is 1.1809. That's the level to look for, for the upside. So if you think market really wants to go up, then euro dollar currency pair, it should close a bullish candlestick above 1.1809 level. Otherwise market is probably going to slide lower. Okay, okay, next let us take a look at US dollar index. The US dollar index overall, we got this nice downtrend over here, 1 2 3 4, and wave 5 it seems to me we're getting a pullback, and then market is going to resume the downtrend over here. Okay, In 1 hour time frame, US dollar index, so far we did not get any kind of a close. We just got a spike in price action. This is unclear. If market really wants to go up, then we should get a clear green color bullish candlestick close above 97.34 level. Otherwise, just a false breakout. That's all, and sooner or later price action is going to resume the downtrend inside US dollar index. Okay. Next one is the GBPUSD currency pair, pound dollar currency pair. Pound dollar is still staying above 1.3600 level. We only got a spike over here, and then market just turns sideways. So it's kind of a range bound market. In 4 hour time frame, 1.3716, that's an important level, and if price action wants to go up, then it should break above this level. Otherwise, expect further weakness in price action of GBPUSD currency pair. Next, let us take a look at GBPUSD 30 minutes. Now over here you see market actually testing this bearish trend channel. Okay, so if price action really wants to go up, then it should break out of this bearish trend channel. Now the other side is, I do have a second Elliott wave count which suggests price action is going to break below 1.3561 level. Well, if that is the case, then we should get a close below this level. But for the time being, we got a spike on both sides, and price action is still respecting this bearish trend channel. Okay. However, sooner or later, the way I see price action is going to rise up in GBPUSD currency pair. That's the forecast. Next, we have AUDUSD currency pair, Aussie dollar currency pair. Go to a daily time frame, AUDUSD currency pair, daily time frame. The way I see this bullish leg over here in AUDUSD currency pair, and I expect further upside in AUDUSD currency pair. So let's take a look at 1 hour time frame. So far price action just keep trying to go sideways. We got the spike over here, and then market quickly rallied back up. The forecast is bullish inside Aussie dollar currency pair. So I'm expecting the price action to rise up in AUD/USD currency pair. Okay, that's the forecast, and the chances are high that market is going to resume the uptrend in AUD/USD currency pair. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, got a question. Gold. Okay, I will do it. You will get the idea about spot gold. Next, let us take a look at New Zealand dollar versus United States dollar, the Kiwi. Daily time frame, we got a drop in price action, long tail of a candlestick over here in daily chart. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can notice we only got a spike in price action. Price action actually did not close below this level. So my forecast is actually bullish, and the chances are high that NZDUSD currency pair is going to rise up to reach 0.6129 level. Okay. If you take a look at 4 hour time frame, here's the 4 hour chart. Now this was the level, and I told you if market really wants to drop, then we should get a bearish candlestick close below 0.6036 level. But so far we only got a spike in pricing. This is called a false breakout. Okay, if market really wants to drop, then we should get a close of a bearish candlestick below this level, and price should stay there. Sometimes market just close one candlestick below a support level, and then right after that it rallies back up. That's a false breakout. Okay. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc currency pair, daily time frame. Now let me show you the wave count. This is 1 over here, wave 1. We got this as wave 2. The request is about the USDJPY. I will cover it. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and then we got this bearish leg wave 3 over here. Okay, wave 3. Then we got this as wave number 4, and then this is most likely wave 5, which is still looks like to me that the wave 5 is still going on, is still in progress. Okay, so if you check out the 4-hour time frame, we got this bullish leg, but so far it's still below 0.7993 level. However, if we do get a bullish breakout, let's say market really wants to go up, then we should get a bullish candlestick close above 0.7993 area. Okay, if price action breaks this level, fine. Otherwise, to me it is still a downtrend, and sooner or later USD is probably going to drop more. However, let's say a market doesn't want to drop. Well, if that's the scenario, we should get a bullish breakout above 0.7993 level. Obviously, a time will come when the downtrend is going to change into an uptrend. Okay, it's not going to be like this forever. So this is the level 0.793 area in USD Swiss franc 4-hour. Next, if you check out the 1-hour, same story. We only got a spike over here and the actual body closed lower. Okay, I would prefer to look for a buy trade in euro dollar and maybe a sell in USD Swiss franc using a trading strategy. Do not just blindly open a trade just because you think it's going to work. You need to have some kind of a day trading strategy to identify the key support and resistance levels. And if you do not have a trading strategy, just visit my website. You can learn a day trading strategy. Okay, next one is the spot gold. Spot gold, this is what I discussed earlier when I was doing the London market session. Hopefully I will do the London market session tomorrow as well. So this is the spot gold. The forecast is bearish, at least on a short term. Overall it is an uptrend, but on a short term basis, the way I see, spot gold is most likely going to drop and it's going to test 0.786% Fibonacci retracement level. The value is 3191.13. Okay, so I did cover the gold, the spot gold. Next, let us take a look at US dollar CAD currency pair. USD CAD, you see right now market is trying to fall. This is the buy zone area which price kind of missed it. So that is the reason I told you guys that USD CAD is just going nowhere. It's just going to move sideways. Sooner or later price action is going to resume the downtrend. So this is what we are getting right now. USD CAD is falling down. We have this yellow colored box over here which suggests price action is moving sideways. If market really wants to show us a new direction, then we should get a bullish breakout above 1.3795. Otherwise, the trend is still down. It's a bearish trend, and I expect further weakness in price action of USD CAD currency pair. Okay, next one, let us take a look at US dollar Japanese yen daily time frame. Now, inside daily chart of USDJPY currency pair. Okay, 1 second. Inside daily chart of USDJPY currency pair, I'm expecting the price action to move sideways. If we go over to a 1-hour chart, we got this bullish leg here, but it seems to me this is some kind of an A, B. Let's use a Fibonacci expansion tool and check out what's going on. So you see we got the 100%. It actually took out the 100% level over here. That's what I noticed. 144.99, that's the level it took it out. So it could go a little bit higher. Let's go over to a 4-hour time frame. Seems to me we got kind of a pullback over here. Okay, took out the low. So this looks like to me we got A, B and C. So this is the first leg, then a pullback. The chances are high that price action is going to drop more. We will see how it goes. Now as far as the rainbow is concerned, let's take a look at rainbow. US dollar JPY. Here's the USD yen. Go over to the rainbow. Okay, we got a crossover with rainbow over here, and this means the 15 death. Okay, so it's trying to turn a little bit bullish over here, the USD yen currency pair. Let me move this one over here. So in daily time frame, I think we just got this pullback, and sooner or later USD yen is going to drop. Overall, it's going to move sideways. The trend is still down inside USDJPY currency pair. Okay, anything else? Any other currency pair you want me to analyze? Okay, next one, let us take a look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP, we got kind of a top over here. Yes, it seems to me GBP, it's going to print a top over here. I do expect a fall, a drop in price action of Euro GBP currency pair. Okay, so this is the analysis, the New York market session, and hopefully I will come back tomorrow and do the London market session, okay, in about 12 hours time. So that's pretty much it for today from my side. Have a nice day, and